Hello my planner pals and welcome back, and if you're new here then thank you for joining me and giving me a try. My name is Di, I am here at Creative Comedy Design, and today first of all I want to apologise for the weird panty noises that we've got going on. We've just come back from a walk with the dogs and they are panting up a storm. Like Stella has literally just collapsed in here. She's just like done. Cosmo I think is out in the hallway. They're just like yeah, so if you can hear heavy breathing noises, it's not me, okay? It's not me. So today I am doing a spread for the week of the 15th in my decorative journal. Now, for this month I decided that I was going to use dot grid. However, it is Reenie and I's friendiversary. Reenie from the Enchanted Planner. We have been BFFs for 2 years now. 2 years on the 20th, which is on Saturday. And what we did last year is we kind of got inspiration from the opposite person. So like I got inspiration from one of Reenie's spreads, she's got inspiration from one of mine, and we just figured we'd do that again. Now, what I decided to do was I'm going to use the teacher layout. I don't use this for a planner layout, but Reenie uses it for her wellness. So I just figured, why not do that? I like the way that she does it with decor in the sidebar, and this middle strip, she puts decor in and she puts the big dates in there, which I think is beautiful. So I think I'm going to copy that idea. I'm going to take that idea and run with it. So I know I've got some of the big dates somewhere. So we've got the 15th to the 21st. So 15. So I know I need to put these in, and this again is my decorative planner, and these numbers are from the Planner Basics. And here's a tip for you. Because I've got the 21st, I don't have a 21 on that sheet, I don't have a 21 on that sheet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the 12, because that's how I roll. And I'm just going to flip the numbers around. I'm just going to flip the numbers around as soon as I find my scissors. And put 21 there, just so that I don't have to start a new sheet. Just so that I don't have to start a new sheet. And then we have 21. So that is the plan. Now, I know that Reenie loves florals. So what I thought was, I'm going to do a slightly different take on it and do florals my way. And my way is this way. I think I'm going to use these. I'm undecided right now whether I want to use the ones with the foil or without the foil. But I kind of like the look of these. So, and I think I'm going to use these because Reenie does this for her wellness. And she has the little like lunch, dinner, movement type things. So I think this also makes sense. So putting some of those in as well. So I think that is the plan. I'm going to put the flowers in the middle. Maybe a quote as well. Let's do a quote there as well. I'm going to cut that up in a second. That's not going there. But I think I'm going to use the gold. And then we'll go from there. Where's the gold? Oh, that's the same. But is that smaller? Yeah, it's slightly smaller. Do I want to use that? Maybe. So what I might do is use those and either those or those. I'm just literally taking those out so I can kind of see what I'm doing. So I can kind of see what I'm doing. So yes, this is a great way to, I just think I'm going to put those in like that. Like fill this space in. Yeah, I think I'm going to use the gold. Yeah, okay, we're going to do that. We're going to, oh, get off. We're going to do that. So I'm just going to take those off. So if you're looking for inspiration, like Reenie does this. Reenie uses this planner differently to what I'm doing it. I'm going to use it as my journal. My God, dude. We weren't out that long, but he is panting up a storm. And I'm saving these bits on that wax paper. Saving those bits because those will come in handy. I've got the corners are rounded on these. but I'm just going to put that in there. Yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. How many times can I say yeah? Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm not going to bother about the lines because I'm going to put... Oh, that's overlapping though. I don't want them overlapping. I'm going to put the black... Oh, no. Okay, it's staying there. I didn't de-stick it beforehand. I'm not drawn to this colour, but I'm drawn to that one and the yellow. And the blue. That blue. Okay, let's choose those. I thought we'd stopped then. But alas, no, we are still panting. I don't know how much this is coming over on the video, but oh my god, he is panting. He is panting. Yes! I love this. It was funny. I did just say to Reenie, oh, I'm going to use the teacher layout. And I think she thought I was talking about using it for my wellness. And I'm like, no, I'm going to use it for my journal. So, yeah. And then I've got spots that I can journal in, right? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, and then I think this one, I'm probably going to need another one. If I used another one, it's that orange one, isn't it? I always feel kind of like, don't use them all on the same spread. And then it's just like, but then what are they for if they're not to use, you know? Right? What are they for if you're not supposed to use them? Oh, no, it's ripping. There we go. There we go. And then that bit might go there. Yeah. Just going to turn that one a little bit. Oh, I love it. It's very bright and colourful. It's very me. Again, it's florals with a twist on me doing florals. Because I don't like all florals. I like them to be a little funky. Funky. Get funky. Okay. And then I think yellow in there. No, I need to cut it. Let's cut it, Di. Just cut it. It's like I can't grab a hold of it properly. Is that still too much? Still too much. A little bit, maybe. It's fine. Just put it in, Di. Go on, just put it in. Put it in. Yes! And then here, we'll use this, no, this blue bit. Yeah, need to just take that corner bit off there. Oh my god, he's finished. He's finished. He's stopped. He's stopped. We're good. Yes. Okay, yes. See? That is lovely. And I'll just put these little bits back in here because I might use them on something later on. Oh, I was going to use that quote. God damn it. Oh gosh, I can't even. I can't even. And then I'll find something to put in the corner there at some point. Clearly not yet, but I think choose kind over cool might go there. I might just change that for the other one. The other one seemed like it was less, you know, less. It was smaller. This one looks smaller. And then that can be how I put in things there. Yeah, I might put it there. Does that fit in there? Wow, dude. Oh, I can put it there. Did you just flop? I could just put it like that. What do we think to that? Let's think about something we're going to put in the sidebar first before we get carried away. There's definitely vertical boxes in here. I've seen them. I've seen them. I was looking at them earlier. There we go. Be your own kind of happy. Seek joy. Look on the bright side. I can't put that because that's the same freaking quote. Kind of drawn to this, but I think that's too much. I think these. I think this. Oh yes, it's that. That can go there. Okay, I'm going to do something weird. I'm going off of. I'm going off plan now. I'm going off plan. To there. This is how you can use these. Oh, actually, I might do it with those other ones. No, yeah, I'm going to do it with these. Where was I? There. So I want to use these. I want to use the background. And try. Oh, I've ripped it already. I was trying not to rip it. Come on, get off. Get off. Put that back. Don't take the sticker with you. Don't bring the sticker with you. Come on. I'm just going to cut that bit off clearly because it says the happy planner on it. Yes. So, yes, Reenie and I have been friends for 2 years. And it's funny, we were talking the other day, and it was like, the other day, we talk every day, what am I saying? We were saying, like, I don't think we would have clicked as much as we had with anybody else. I think it was just the fact that we have so much in common, like so much in common. It's insane. I'm going to put that up there. Reenie kind of fills that space in, so it makes sense. I've just gone for it now. I have gone for it. I love this though. I feel like that needs to be a little further down. I don't know if I'll be able to get it off because I didn't de-stick. We'll be fine. Just leave it, Di. Leave it. Leave it, leave it, and leave it. Let's put the numbers in, and then I'll get a sense of where I want to put the quote. But this whole, we used to call it in scrapbooking days, scrap lifting, where you take someone else's layout or the idea or the placement and you just copy it. As long as you give them credit, you're fine. Don't, you know, try and make it out that you've done it yourself. That it's your own, oops, no, don't stick. That it's your own invention. That's not the word I'm looking for. Yes, 15, 16, there. And we'll jumble them around a bit. 17, 18, where's 19? That fills in some of that gap. 19, 20. Then the 2 and the 1, it was 12, now makes 21. Oh, I love it. I love it. I didn't think I would like it as much as I am actually loving this. Okay, let's put that quote in. I think it's going there. I'm just not 100%. So it might actually go there. No, I don't think. Do I like it there? It would kind of make more. Oh, maybe there. Maybe. Let's figure out what else we want to put in. Don't forget, do today. Focus on so much yes. So much yes seems like what we need. No, let's do it in the blue. No, the other blue. Put that one in somewhere. So much yes. Put a yellow plan on it. Put a dark blue. Yay. Hello Weekend. That should be dark blue. Have I got any others? No. Dark blue. Hello Weekend. And we'll just pop these everywhere. You got this. Yes, I think so. I think that is going there. It wasn't where it was going, but I think it is going there now. Oh gosh, can't even. Can't even. Oh yes. That green one needs to go there. So that green gives me that nice visual triangle there. Oh, don't stick. Don't stick. Literally put you down wrong. Put you down wrong. Put you down wrong. There we go. There we go. Maybe I want to put another quote in. Today's the day. Seriously? Okay, they all say the same thing, so maybe not. Plan on it. It's kind of the same. That might have to go there. Hello Weekend. Go there. so much yes. Nah. There. And yay will go there. I think so. Yeah. I'm not sure about this one. I wish I'd put that there now. God damn it. Will it come up again? Yeah. Yeah. So much yes. Hang on. That needs to go down there. Plan on it is going up there. And then this one, it says yay, will go here. I feel like I should put these in. Does anybody else want to put these in? There's the tiniest little sliver there that I can put in somewhere else, I'm sure. And then, hang on. Let's put that one there. Off the edge of the page. And then we'll put that one there. Oh yes. Oh, that's better. That's added so much. That can go there. I may have just turned the corner into over-stickering. Somebody help. Somebody help. And because I have it, I'm going to take that little bit there and put it in there. Yeah, I think I'm done. I know I put no things down the middle, but that's because I wasn't sure whether I wanted to put anything over the spine. I wasn't sure which way I was going to go. I ended up going middle bits. I love it. So again, I would normally have my dot grid here. This is the current week. So I think I'm just going to put those together with a little bit of adhesive. Yes, I actually really like that. Again, it's like the same as Reenie's with sticker placement, apart from this, but I need a gratitude list, so yes. But yeah, it's the same as Reenie's kind of placement with this and the numbers. Again, just taking the inspiration from hers and then making it my own. I kind of like it. I'm not gonna lie. I do like these flowers. Didn't think I would, but I do like these flowers. But yes, and I used a whole sheet. What did I do with that sheet? The sheet that I had. Did I already put it away in my stash? I think I did. Yes, I think I already put that away. But yes, that is my spread. And I've used a whole sticker sheet, which is fantastic. I hope you enjoyed this, and it just showed you how you could get inspired from someone else's spreads. Because again, this was, okay. All right, that is my spread for the week of the 15th. Again, I'm going to use this, God damn it. All right, I hope you enjoyed this. Like, just seeing how you can get inspired from someone else's spreads and their layouts. Just taking the little bits, like Reenie uses the teacher planner. She uses it for wellness. I'm using it as a journal. I haven't used this spread as a journal before, so I'm going to be interested to see how I get on with it. But she decorates this bit. She loves florals. These are kind of florals, but they're my kind of florals. So, and then she puts the big numbers here, like I've done also. So yes, again, get inspired and then just make it your own. Get inspiration, but then just run with it. Run with the inspiration. So I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to check out Reenie's video. The link will be in the description, where she's got inspired by one of my spreads. And yeah, if you enjoyed this, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you next time, my planner pals. Bye!